Well, the Supreme Court has questioned the centre's decision to give a 6-month extension to Delhi's Chief Secretary Naresh Kumar, whose tenure ends this month. The Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government had informed the court that there was a dearth of lack of trust and communication with the current Chief Secretary. Ashmit Kumar joins us now with the details. Ashmit, what has the court said?
Well, it all boils down to who has control over Delhi's administrative services. The Supreme Court had held that it should be in the hands of the Delhi government. However, the centre had undone that by way of an amendment to the GNCTD Act, restoring the powers back to the Ministry of Home Affairs on who gets to make these appointments. The case in question is, of course, that of Naresh Kumar, the Chief Secretary of Delhi. He's due to retire on November 30th. The question then arose is that who gets to appoint the next Chief Secretary. Now, on that count, the centre's proposal is to extend his term by about another 6 terms, while there is some deliberation on who gets to succeed him. However, the Delhi government is very clear. Number one, they cited the Supreme Court judgment. Number two, the Delhi government said that given that there has been a complete breakdown of trust and communication with the highest administrative officer of the national capital, it is required that he be replaced, and that Delhi government left the floor open, that they even open to the idea, if not him, then the next 5, any one of the next 5 senior most officers can be elevated to the position of Chief Secretary. However, the Solicitor General appearing for the centre remained firm on Naresh Kumar's extension, and this invited a line of inquiry from the Apex Court. The Supreme Court questioned, number one, the Act is in place. It has not been stayed by the Apex Court. Then why the insistence? As per the Act, the Justice Chandrachud observed that as per the Act, he should be allowed to retire on November 30th. And then, as per the Act, the centre would have the power to nominate any person they feel appropriate for that position. However, here the Chief Justice observed that the fact that the centre is insisting on one particular candidate gives rise to doubts and gives more credence to the submissions of the Delhi government, that there is something particular about Naresh Kumar, about the insistence on Naresh Kumar, that inspires more questions. And to that count, more clarity has been sought from the centre. The Solicitor General has been asked to come back with a reply on the powers that they have under the relevant provisions, and then get back on this issue on whether or not he can be extended or whether a fresh Chief Secretary is in order for Delhi government.
All right, Ashmit, appreciate you joining us. That is the latest in the matter. With that, it is time for us to wrap up this edition of Business 360. Do stay tuned to CNBC TV 18. There's a lot more coming up right after this. We're back in a minute.